Annie Manali for her birthday is today. Ate, I wish you all the best and God bless, and I wish you more birthdays to come. Of course, guys, in every content that I make, I never ever forget those the biggest star of my channel. Yay! So, bye David. Hello, thanks for this amazing video. Later come. Oh, okay. FKY20 mixtape. Bago na naman po ba yan? Grabe, di na natapos trahedya dyan. Yes, FKY20. Let's pray for the world so that the world will be healed. And Jen Channel Car and Moto. Very nice. Good. Thank you. And Nuhang Valentine. Clap and Flowers. Thank you for that. And Daily Inspiration. Oh no, there's another one again. I think they really need to do something with this incident. Sunod-sunod na may nangyari na. Thanks for the update. Yes, Sister Daily Inspiration. Very sad. And Ibingit is an R16. Uther, Hole is okay. We are praying for them. Christina E. Grupen. Yummy fishball, like it. Here's my support. Thank you, Christina E. Grupen. And si Hanoi Ne, oh my god, it's just a drive by your soul's explosion. Yes, so scary is the world. Shane Comley, oh no, pray for Lebanon. Yes, we are. Yes, isa na namang masarap na homemade recipe. Kakaiba talaga ang pangsariling gawa at luto. Dahil na mapapasarap mo palalo ang lasa nito. Paborito ko yung bilhin sa kapitbahay namin na nagtitinda. Ang sarap niya, lalo na pag may iba-ibang sausawan. Depende sa gusto mong lasa. Gusto ko yung manamis-tamis na may anghang. Naglalaway at natatakam na ako. Salamat sa panibagong recipe, kapatid. Yes, thank you din, Sister Deli, the inspiration for all your support. Yes, nakakamiss ang fishball. Marami nagtinda dito sa labas ng school na nag-aaral ako dati. The only difference ay you made recipe with perfection of what I love to cook. It's very clean. Thank you so much. Ano yung name? And Juadel MD, sorry, short yet informative. Thank you so much. And Mr. Possible, napaka-healthy naman pala niyan. Yes, and Carol's Garnet pa shout out. Yes, shout out to Carol's Garnet. Thank you so much, Sissy. And Penelope Senna Rose, fantastic. Yes, thank you so much, guys. And Narciso Durens, full package of true friendship sent. Gusto ko talaga ng harang. Yes, we are aiming all that. So, I hope you be there soon. Thank you so much, Narciso Durens. Shell loves. Hello, Sissy. Wow, same tayo. Favorite ko yan. I love tomato. Any kay luto man o hilaw. Minsan kinakain kong buo, lalo na yung cherry tomato. Yes, favorite ko din yung cherry tomato. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Mga big stars of my channel. And before I forget, mga handmade ni Nanay, salamat sa pag-share. Bagong fanfare. Thank you so much, mga handmade ni Nanay. And Ranch Channel, thank you for the thumbs up. And Unclick TV, wonderful birthday wishes. Thank you so much, Unclick TV. And Sus family, looks delicious. Thanks for sharing. Stay safe and con. Thank you so much, Sui's family. Yes, thank you so much, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you is how to prepare your channel for monetization. You know guys, all of the creator are aiming to monetize their channel and to be accepted in YPP or the YouTube Partner Program to have a passive income, you know guys. So in this video I want to share with you those things that need to be considered when you are trying to monetize your. And let's talk about 1000 subscribers. You know guys, 1000 subscribers is not in a hurry, because there is no duration if you want to get your 1000 subscribers in a month or in just a week. You know guys, is but the important is your 4000 WH or your watch hour, because it is only you can have it for just around 12 months. So if you didn't reach, or you're not able to reach your 4000 hours within 12 months, your WH or your watch hour will be any sum of the deduction, because the previous month will be erased. And you know guys, it's very important that if you are aiming to be accepted in YouTube Partner Program or the YPP, that's what I will tell you earlier. You have to clean your bin, or before you reach all these requirements for eligibility, you have to clean your bin, especially if you have some videos that is not true. And if you are in YPP already guys, you have to maintain the criteria of your channel. What I mean is, you have to continue creating content that is your originality, your own create your own video content, because you have to maintain that you are not violating any community guidelines, as well as reuse and repetitive. And the most important is, if you are in YPP, you should not erase any videos that is included to your 4000 watch hours, because you have a tendency to demonetize your channel. So very important guys, that we have to know those guidelines if we are in YPP. So you guys, if your channel get review, and if you are very lucky to wait for 2 days, 5 days to 1 week, is better, because usually it takes 1 month. It depends on the review volume. And if you want to monetize your channel guys, you have to create content that is not violating the community guidelines, as well as the copyright strikes and reuse, and also the repetitive content. Because honestly, the YouTube doesn't tell you what is your violation. You have to very carefully upload your videos on your channel, especially that you are reusing it, or you have to recopy it in someone else, because YouTube is trying to protect those creators for their hard work as well, of course, because you are a creator, you are making your content, so you have to be very careful about it. So guys, one more thing is, if you are trying to monetize your channel, you have to make your own original content for avoiding those reuse, repetitive as well. Or if you are copied, you have to put your creativity as well to